I just sent my sister a text. It's a must-see. It's a must-see.
My whole family in Samoa watched it and urged us to come here and watch it today. So, looking forward to it.
That was amazing, bro. It hit home on a lot of points. Especially the culture, reconnecting again. And
so consistent with how it is in Samoa, with our culture. It's not inconsistent, it's consistent with the culture.
Put me back into the memory lane because I was born and raised in Samoa, so the lifestyle.
It reminds you to be grateful, but it was just like everything was, yeah.
Oh, I thought the movie was good.
Put him right to sleep. Everybody was laughing in the theater. It was like, how can you sleep with it? Well, it was good.
I mean, everything about it is true. True Samoan New Zealand styles, which was cool to see on film.
They never really candy coated anything. That's real life for us.
Yeah, when they were cleaning the offices, I remember doing that as I was a youngster.
Right on for Samoa and how the boys take care of their goods. Nice.
The importance of the family values.
Appreciation of your parents and like Samoan lifestyle and being grateful for what you have.
And I think sometimes, especially for those who grew up away from Samoa, they don't realize.
For me, it's just to reconnect with who we are and be proud of it, and not settle for just really go out there and pursue for it. I mean, it's amazing to be able to see the whole community come out and support this Samoan-made film. It's amazing.
I really enjoyed it. Yeah, and I'm super proud of everyone that put the movie together. Thank you so much.
When they went to look for him in the bush.
I don't know.
There's a lot.
Yeah, I can't really choose one because the movie was all around good. So
Yeah, that was real good. Real good movie.
I enjoyed it.
I recommend it to people.
I think it's funny because it's like relatable. Like that really happens in our lives.